Hey guys, welcome back to Bronze's Math Club. Today we'll be learning about inequalities. So this is a small introduction to what an inequality is and how to graph them. So let's get started. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that uses an inequality symbol to compare the values of two expressions. So here we have the inequality symbols, which are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So these four symbols are called the inequality symbols, and so these are used when you write an inequality. So let's go ahead and write a few inequalities and graph them. So our first inequality, let's say it is n is greater than 5. This is an inequality because it's using an inequality symbol which is greater than. So how do you graph an inequality? Well, to graph it, first we need to make a number line. So let's make our number line. And since our number is 5, let's make our number line start from 3 and end at 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess we could also fit in 8 and 9. The reason I started from 3 and went on to number 9 is because I want that number to come in the middle of my number line. So I have 5 here in the middle, or near the middle. So now we need to plot a point on the number 5. So if it's greater than or less than, we will plot an open dot, which is pretty much a circle on top of the number. If it is greater than or equal to or less than equal to, we will do a shaded dot like this. So this is what we have to do for the number 5. Okay, so since 5 has the inequality symbol of greater than, we need to put an open dot. So let's put an open dot on 5. And now what we have to do is we have to shade. Since the inequality is saying n, or n, which is the variable, which is the unknown value, is greater than the number 5, we have to shade to the right, because all the numbers that are greater than the number 5 come to the right side of the number line. So let's shade to the right. Alright, this is how you graph an inequality. So let's go ahead and do another example. Let's say this time we have r is less than or equal to 3. Okay, so let's make a number line. Say our number line starts from -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 3 is in here. Alright. Now we have to make an open dot or a shaded dot depending upon the inequality symbol. So we have less than or equal to. If it's greater than or equal to or less than equal to, we have to do a shaded circle. So let's put a shaded circle on the number 3. Alright, now we have to shade in. So either we go to the right or the left. Well, if it says that the value of r is less than or equal to the number 3, then that means we have to go to the left, because all the numbers that are less than number 3 are on the left. So this is how you graph this inequality. Alright, let's do another example. So let's say we have a is less than 7. So let's make our graph, or our number line, and graph it. So let's say it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here comes 7, and we have 8. Okay, so we have our number line. Now we have to plot the number 7. Since this is less than, it will be an open dot. Now it's saying that the value of the variable a is less than the number 7. So we have to go to the left, because all the numbers that are less than 7 come to the left. Okay, so now we have graphed this inequality. Let's move on. Let's do our last example with greater than or equal to. So let's write down an inequality. Let's say we have h is greater than or equal to the number 5. Well, we've already used 5, so let's say 6. Okay, make our number line, and let's put in our numbers. Alright, now let's go ahead and plot the number 6. Since this says greater than or equal to, we have to put a shaded in dot. Now we have to shade in the number line. So since it's saying the value of the variable h is greater than or equal to the number 6, we have to shade to the right, because all the numbers that are greater than the number 6 go to the right, and since it's shaded, it also includes the number 6. Okay, so these are my examples on how to write inequalities and graph the inequalities. And remember, this is just an introduction to inequalities. We have upcoming videos on how to solve inequalities, so make sure you watch those, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!